everyone, got a 2022 Dodge Charger. Today we're going to replace the remote key fob battery.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is flip it over, and you see this button that's right here. What you're going to do is I'm going to slide it to the right, and then we can pull the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote, and then we'll turn it over like this. And what we're going to do now is we're going to split the remote open, and you can use the actual key to do that. There's a slot. Okay, so this is the slot for the emergency key right here, and right below it there's another slot. We're going to use that, stick it in here, and we're going to turn it counterclockwise, and it's going to crack it open like that. Then we can just open it, and on the back half of the remote is where the battery is. Get the key again and use it to pull out the battery. Right. Don't need any tools or anything. Got them right here. We'll flip it over. I'll show you what size the battery is. The battery is a CR2032 battery with the positive sign facing down. All the writing will be facing down. If you need a battery, check the description box. I'll have the battery size and a link to Amazon if you need to pick up a battery. So go check that out. We just get the two halves, snap them back together, make sure they're nice and snap back together all the way around like that. The emergency key goes back in and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate you dropping me a like, leave me a comment. See you guys in another video.